Before we get started, I want to apologize for the sound of my voice. I did pick up a fever and I'm feeling a lot better today, but my voice is a little, it's not perfect, so I do apologize for that, and hopefully my voice will get adjusted here in the next few days as I'm getting out of this little cold, this little fever that I have. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome back everyone to another video. Today I have for you something really cool for the PSP, and I picked this up through Etsy. I'll have a link in the description down below so you can go check it out. And I bought this for $10, and it's actually inside the PSP. And no, it's not a memory card. It is not a memory card. It's not a battery. It is actually a UMD holder for extra storage. Check this out. This is very cool. And I found this through Etsy. And as you can see, it holds 2 micro SD cards and it holds the adapter. Very nice. And it looks just like a UMD disc. Even has the opening where the little sensor will read the disc itself. And there's a variety of different colors. And it's very smooth. This is 3D printed. I think this is genius. This is perfect. You have extra storage on your PSP, which makes it a lot easier to carry around extra cards if you have like a bunch of PS1 games loaded into one card, and the other can have, you know, your ROMs and emulators. I found that this side doesn't really hold the SD card properly, and I've tried different ways, but it just keeps falling out. And when I first tested it out, the SD card fell out and it got stuck inside the PSP, which wasn't good. And I'm gonna have to contact the seller, but I think these are pretty awesome. And if you can afford one, I'd say get one. It's not too expensive. They're only 10 bucks, free shipping. And he did ship it through an envelope, so there's no tracking. It takes about like a week or two to arrive, but not bad. These holes you see here are to push the card out of the slot there. And yeah, unfortunately this side is too loose, so I won't be able to use that. But yeah, this holds pretty nice, and yeah, it slides in there pretty smooth, just like that. If you're interested in this SD card adapter, I do have these for sale on my website, and they are $10. They go up to 128 gigabytes as far as the capacity SD cards go. I do have a 256. Doesn't work on a PSP, but I'm just using it as demonstration purposes. But it fits pretty smooth, and there's only one way to, you know, insert into the UMD holder, and that's having the cards facing you. You can't have it the other way because, you know, this part needs to be, it has to be looking like this in order for it to fit properly into your UMD disc holder. But that is perfect. I mean, these are pretty inexpensive, and to have extra storage on your PSP is pretty awesome. And I do have one of these, a travel case. So if I do have multiple games and stuff, I can have, you know, my 2 UMD holders with SD cards in them, ready to go. And I do have a lot of PSP games, ISO format, and I'd love to carry all the games wherever I go, and to have that crazy variety. Not all the games will fit in a 128 gigabyte card, so it's nice to have multiple cards and run that way. If you're a big PSP enthusiast, I'd recommend getting a couple. So that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this little storage device for our PSP. I think this is great. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.